Hey guys, welcome to it. It's home, sweet home. Yeah, we have an exciting menu. The menu today, guys, it's so vegetarian friendly. Not all the time I do vegetarian friendly meals, but today I am. And my first dish to get things started is the meat of vegetarians, mushrooms. I love mushrooms, and I think the reason I love mushrooms is because they're so close to a meaty, earthy kind of feel. So I'm doing, to start things off today, on Home Sweet Home, what I'm calling a garlicky mushroom toast. Very simple, but a nice, elegant type of dish. So I'm getting some mushrooms, very nice rough chop. I don't want it too fine, but I don't want it too big as well. So a nice kind of rough chop, just about this kind of size I'm looking at here. And I say I would probably have about, I would say about a cup or two of mushrooms nicely chopped. I have my fire getting nice and hot here on a nice big pan, and I'm going to get started to do what I'm going to kind of pull together a creamy mushroom sauce to put on the toast. Let's get started and let's show you how this is going to come together. I'm starting with some butter, and I have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter that I just want to get there. Yeah, that's exactly what you want. Straight in there, I'm adding my mushrooms. Very important at this stage that you allow the mushrooms just about 5 to 6 minutes to cook down and get nice and saucy. It will give off its own liquid, so allow the mushrooms to do its thing. You see the mushrooms cook down nicely. I want to season. I season in layers, so salt and pepper. See the mushrooms looking all nice there. And now I can start adding some nice fine ingredients. So I have a little wine here. You want about I would say about a 3/4 cup of wine that I want to add to this. So just about, and this is for me. Very important as well, at this stage you allow the wine just to cook off. And now I'm adding some garlic. It's a garlicky mushroom toast, so you want to get some nice garlic flavor going in there. So I'm just going to get straight garlic straight in here and mix that garlic in, and you already start to smell that garlic flavor, allowing that garlic to cook. And I have some good old Trini green seasoning that I can put in here now. Some Trini green seasoning straight in there. And I have some rosemary that I will sprinkle in here now, just to season it up and give it that nice little earthy flavor that I'm looking for. Oh, you should smell this, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah. To that, if you think that wasn't enough flavor, I have some heavy cream, guys, that I really just want to, a little, just about that. So I'm doing, it's a creamy, garlicky mushroom that I'm going to be putting on this toast. This is my favorite pepper sauce. I'm giving Bertie's a little bly. I love Bertie's, so I'm just adding just a couple little dashes. It's not very hot, but it's just enough to give it that nice little peppery kick that you want. So guys, this is ready to now create my garlicky mushroom toast. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? So I just want a nice heaping spoon here that I am going to lay on. You want to stir the bread, and important actually, I pre-toasted this bread before. I have some cheddar cheese. You can use any type of cheese you have, but I just have some plain old cheddar that I will just allow to sprinkle on there. This goes in the oven at high heat that will broil just for a couple minutes. You just want the cheese to melt and melt all over that lovely creamy mushroom garlicky flavor, and then you have a wonderful little bite. Let's get this in the oven. So guys, it's just about ready. Yeah, look at that baby. Cheese all melted in, looking all lovely and delicious. So it's time for me to just plate this bad boy up. And this, as I said, is a nice little perfect opening dish to get you cranking and started. And we just have some simple, nice, lovely big lettuce leaves that we just want to plate over the lettuce leaves. Just like that. Nice rustic kind of vibes. Look at that. My garlicky mushroom toast, guys. I have one here that I can't wait to just sample to let you know how lovely this is. Yeah, that's what you want. That's what you want. Garlicky, earthy, cheesy, heavenly. We're rolling our recipes. Come on back.